Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious to all. So today my topic is about covalent bond. What is covalent bond? First of all, I'm going to define covalent bond. Covalent bond, it is a chemical bond. First point is that it is a chemical bond. We all know about that it is a chemical bond. And second point is that it is a chemical bond which is formed between two atoms. It is a chemical bond which is formed between two atoms. Third point is that these atoms having mutual sharing of electrons. It is a chemical bond which is formed between two atoms having mutual sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. Simply. And fourth point is that covalent bond is weaker than ionic bond. Covalent bond is weaker than ionic bond. And now covalent bond have three types on the basis of bonding. So single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. So first, single covalent bond. Single covalent bond, for example, we have two chlorine atoms. For example, that is one chlorine atom and that is another chlorine atom. So we all know about that in the valence shell of chlorine, this is one chlorine and that is second. In the valence shell of chlorine have 7 electrons. Chlorine have 7 electrons. Here 7 electrons. Now to complete its octet ruler, so they come close to each other and make a bond. They have 7 electron and they have 7 electron. When they come close together to each other, just like that, so they share their electrons here. Only one bond pair of electrons. They share only one bond pair of electron only, because they need only one electron to complete its octet. Because chlorine have 7 electrons in their valence shell. To complete its octet, it requires only one electron. So they come close to each other and and form a bond which is called covalent bond. They only share their electrons they only share electrons here, and this is a one bond pair of electrons. So that's why it is called single covalent bond. That is the example of a single covalent bond. Now second, I am going to explain double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Here I am taking the example of oxygen. Here I am taking the example of oxygen. For example, that is one oxygen, and we all know that that in the valence shell of oxygen, here are 6 electrons are present. In the valence shell of oxygen, only 6 electrons are present. To complete its octet, it's require 2 electrons to complete its octet. So they come close to each other, just like that. Okay, I draw it roughly. So here the both are required of 2 electrons, so they form here two pair of 2 bond pair of electrons, 2 bond pair of electron here, two bond pair of electrons. So that's why it is called a double covalent bond. Here it makes a double covalent bond. Now here I am going to explain triple covalent bond. What is triple covalent bond? Triple covalent bond, I am going to take the element of group 5 because they need to complete its octet 3 electrons. So I am here taking nitrogen. Nitrogen need 3 electrons to complete its octet. So that's why I am directly here this type. So they share their 3 bond pair here, 3 bond pair of electrons here. So that's why of electrons, 3 bond pair of electrons here, they share 3 bond pair of electrons.